Hi everyone, Greenwise.ai is happy to present its first product, KrishiSahayak. Our company focuses on bridging the gap between technology and accessibility. Before we get into the product, let me introduce my team. Pravesh is our business analyst, and Prasiddhi and Dusha are software engineers. I'm Adushi, the team lead. Our mission is to empower Nepalese farmers with a voice-driven AI assistant that delivers real-time market and weather insights, helping boost profit margins as well as developing a centralized data bank to close Nepal's agricultural gap in data. We hope every farmer's voice will contribute to building a more resilient, knowledge-based agricultural system for Nepal. So why are we tackling this problem? The crux of the issue is there are 7 million people in Nepal who cannot read and write as of the 2023 census, and a majority of them are from rural areas and work as farmers. 61% of the country's population works in agro. And we want to bridge this gap by including a voice-to-text feature that sets us apart from the other agri-tech apps, which remain text-based inputs. As we said, our solution is to provide an AI assistant that helps farmers make profitable decisions. However, the more the farmers use it, the smarter it gets and more tailored the advice they get. And in terms of the benefits for our investors, the data from the farmers will help create a reliable source of information for them to make smarter resource allocation and investment strategies, and as well as be a national asset for sustainable agricultural growth and a catalyst for research and strengthening food security. This is our UI. They use their voice to input the information, and this is the output that is provided. And we're hoping to put the data in a cloud-based server. This is the tech stack that we use to develop our web app. And in terms of piloting, we want to start off in Tapa because of its large farmer population, as well as its location bordering India, as well as the amount of urban hubs. In terms of market size and competitor analysis, this is what we have found. We have an edge over others in terms of integrating voice in their web apps. And in terms of our future plans, stepwise, we want to start off with Tapa, where we want to onboard 10,000 farmers by partnering with cooperatives who give incentive programs so they can sign up. And after which we want to launch a marketplace where they can be directly connected to banks, insurances, and buyers, eliminating the need for middlemen. After which we hope to get national connectivity and work with national agro services as well as telecom providers to even expand our reach further. And finally, we want to get creative by transforming the farmers' voices into AI insights by separating the regional dialects and incorporating them into our platform so everyone can use our website. And finally, some challenges we faced during this process was we had a hard time integrating a cloud-based server to save our text file, our voice files, and our data. And we had trouble defining scope of product. However, the mentor sessions really helped us find the direction, not only in terms of the scope, but also in terms of how to structure the code.
This is the product that we built. We wanted to bridge the gap between Nepali farmers and access to information that can better their harvests. And we know that with that comes a language barrier most of the time. And we built a tool that we hope can address that. So we have the website in both Nepali and English. This is the Nepali version. This is the English version. And we have a tool where the farmer can give information about where they are, how much land they have, what they're producing on the land, when they did this harvest, and get information tailored to them, tailored to their harvest about how they can better their harvest. म भक्तपुरमा बस्छु मेरो भक्तपुरमा 2 रोपनी जग्गा छ जहाँ मैले धान रोपेको छु मैले 2082 सालको असारमा धान रोपेको हो. And then once you do that, you click the button again, and in a minute, it'll return the information to you. It takes a minute, but this is the information. It tells you, it gives specified information to the user about what they can do to better the production, how much profit they can expect to make, just general information that could be beneficial to the user. And then also on our page, we have a about us section where we kind of go into what we are, who we are, what we want to do. Yeah.